A government servant, the amount of bribe they get. I mean, I can tell you IAS officers who will have thousands of crores. Thousands of crores they earn. Police officers who have hundreds of crores, thousands of crores. And in that, the service in which I joined, I mean, I cannot tell you,
Customs.
there would be drawers would be open and money would be kept like that openly. People would carry bundles of cash in newspaper every day in the evening. And I was so worried. I said, my God, I come from a very honest background. My mentality is honesty. I can't survive in this. I left customs because of that. But that is the kind of money which is there. You think people are coming for the government salary? No. They are coming for the glamour, the perks, the money. ये जो ऊपर की कमाई है ना, that is what is luring these people. 8 attempts, 10 attempts, 20 attempts. Very few. I can say my experience is that you will find only 10% honest, if there are. I'm being very ambitious and saying 10% honest government servants you will find in the IAS, IPS, income tax, customs, 10%. 90% from day one have come to make money. But yes, I feel my studying law, at least one thing that is what I go by, that I may not be able to make the change, but I can make a difference. Step by step. Like change will not come suddenly, that everything will stop. But I can make a difference, at least those 10 widows, 20 widows, if I getting them compensation. I am making some difference. So if all of us do our duty, all of us decide, feel like you, if there are not one phase, there are 20 phases. At least the voice will be stronger. No? But I'm sure people would have deserted you, like when you left the television. Like my husband did not have a single IPS officer standing by his side when he fought the mighty. He wrote that book. That book openly said that the Deputy CM is charging 35 lakhs for a posting of a DCP. He had the courage to write that. And this is in the 90s, that was the rate. So what now? They must be, if an officer is paying crores to get a posting, you think you will get justice. Women can't. Even today, there was this woman who's gone to the police station to get an FIR. She says, ma'am, the IO is asking me 200 questions.